Hello, teacher and course. My name is Maria del Carmen Numa. I have 38 years. I am programmed and system operations. I Sigrid. I have been living 4 years in the PC Amazonas for and tranquil natures. There is much to work in the regions. My family living in Bogota. I launch YouTubers to sing, to dance, meet people for bars and the works. Consider myself a leader, intelligent, always initiates. By my corners were qualities in honesty and respect for people. Um, a note is the jargons. Can. Hello, Tiber One Displays. Wait, this for me. Can change your opposite? I have the children's teeth and side are different. Okay, still different. What word you lead to try? Can't I see the drinks menu? Of course, here you are. I have the glass of wind after the mirror. Wait, would you like some coffee orders? A cup of coffee works nice, thank you. Asking for big checks. Call and hide that will you please? And surprise Madame heard your aunt. Can I buy bank credit cards? I'm afraid you can only cards. Okay, here you are $15. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.